Is your Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2 running low on battery? Don't worry, in this quick guide I will show you exactly how to replace the battery in your SmartTag2 so it works like new again. So first you have to grab the ejector tool that came with your SmartTag2. Now look for the small hole on the back of the tag and now gently insert the tool. Press down slightly and you will see the battery cover start to lift. Now use your fingers to remove the cover completely. And here you will see the battery inside, so just carefully take it out and replace it with a new one. Here you have to make sure it's positioned the same way as the old battery, and when you are okay to set it, finally snap the cover back onto your SmartTag2 with a gentle press and you are done. That's it, your Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2 is now ready with a fresh battery. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.